What's going on, everybody? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. Still in Miami. Almost time to head home tomorrow. Finally heading home. But right now, I'm actually going to South Beach, Miami to get some really hot wings and eat with some firefighters. So what I'm doing basically, I had a whole day planned out, sort of like a charity event. But some things happened today, some quick meetings had to pop up. And now it's like 2 o'clock. And by the way, this is a phone charger. It's very long. I had to take it in the car. We're heading there. I gotta go to Wingstop, pick up some really hot wings. I got like 50 wings. And then we're gonna go to the fire station. We're gonna be meeting with a billionaire. And one of my friends, we're gonna be at the fire station eating hot wings, having a good time. And hopefully I'll be able to introduce you I will introduce you to my friend. Hopefully the billionaire, he'll wanna be on video. We can talk about some things and give you guys some exposure. He's a super cool guy. He's made a lot of money, made a lot of great connections, lost money, That's just the trial and error of entrepreneurship. We're gonna head to Wingstop, pick up some wings, and then we are on our way to South Beach. So I will see you there. All right, everybody, we got the wings. They're secured here in this bag. Jordan's over here playing, what are you playing?
Pokemon Go.
Pokemon Go, and Errol's being our driver for the day. So we're almost to the fire station. We're gonna eat these hot wings. And I guess I'll take you guys along for the ride. I don't know if you guys have ever seen a cruise ship in person, but look how big these things are. They're like 5 times the size of a hotel, but on water. It's ridiculous. Well, we got the hot wings. We're at the fire station. I'm sweating. It's very hot. Brett, how you feeling? What about you, George?
I took a bite. It was a bad idea.
Oh, look at him. He just goes in for more.
The second one that's when you start getting it.
You gonna go for it?
Go for it. Die?
Come on, look!
I'm gonna have one.
Let's gonna have one.
It takes a while, huh?
Yeah, it does for the first one.
Hey, how is the chicha? Good, right?
Knock off the sauce.
Here we go, kid.
1 minute left. Number 10. Oh, he's going all in.
Nothing. Second one. Come on, let's go.
I've had 2. I'm dead.
This ain't hot, bro.
Look at your eyes. You look like you're crying right now.
No, but it's not. It's not unbearable.
Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes.
I mean, it's hot, but dude, I've had wings where you gotta stop. You gotta go drink water right away. I've had like 5 wings. Dude, this is nothing.
He's gonna be sitting there sweating for like 5 minutes.
It's not hot. Have some ice cream.
It's not good right now. He said it was gonna be easy. It's fine. Then we look over here. He's eating ice cream. I'm over here stuck with water, and my mouth is burning. Okay, so we made it to the fire station. We're about to take a quick ride in the truck, but first, made it here. My friend Brett, I've known him for like 2 or 3 years now. It's been a while. Tell them a little bit about you and what you do.
Yeah, so I have a email marketing agency. I'm also a part of a dating service that has a patent to do background checks called Validate Dating. And I'm also working on a consulting company that helps start up tech companies. So
how is it talking with your mouth very high?
honestly, I'm looking and it looks like so pink. I can't even tell what's going on.
I mean, yeah, I don't know. I feel a little bit better now after all the water, but
yeah, it's not hot, but I just can't feel my mouth.
I wish I planned a little bit more for this, and I would have made it more exciting and got people more involved, like some money on the end or something.
It's all right. It's all right. We had fun. We had fun. That's all that matters.
Yeah, we had some fun, and now we're gonna take out one of these trucks and see what happens. Made it to the school bus or fire truck. We're heading to school. We got Brett, Tanner, George, Ariel. Where you at? There's Ariel. I don't think anybody's in the front seat. Here we go, pulling out. I got my fire helmet on. I'm ready to go. We got the pickaxe, the normal axe.
Pickaxe? What did you play, Minecraft, bro?
Yeah. Right in the heart of South Beach, Miami. Having a good time. I don't know what we're doing. Just having fun. Typical Miami traffic. Ocean Drive. Oh! Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Oh my gosh, what just happened? Alright, so we just had our meeting. We had dinner here on South Beach. And now, unfortunately, we are stuck in traffic. So I had a great time today. You know, being able to go to the fire station and do all that fun stuff and be able to sort of experience it. You know, going to a fire station in South Beach, Miami is a lot different than where I live in North Carolina. The fire stations are a lot bigger. It's sort of like if you see one in like an old TV show, like a kid show or something. It's exactly like that. Just there in person with all, you know, all the poles you slide down, you know, several stories, a bunch of different rooms, all this different stuff. It was pretty fun, and we got to go to South Beach, drive the fire truck down Ocean Boulevard. If you don't know what that is, it's one of the most popular streets in South Beach, Miami. Tons of people there. As you saw in those clips, those people going crazy got more attention than like a crazy Lamborghini or anything else. So I'm just sitting here at my computer now getting some work done, and I actually have to pack because I have a flight. And like, what time is it? It's 9:30 p.m. right now. I have a flight at 7 a.m. So I gotta pack up, get some work done. Probably gonna stay up all night. And then I will see you guys when we head to the airport and get back home. Alright everybody, I made it back home to North Carolina safe and sound. The only thing right now that I'm not liking is it's like 30 degrees right now, 7 a.m., something like that. And in Miami it's like 80 all the time. So it's a pretty big difference, pretty big change, which I'm not liking it, but my car likes the cold weather. It goes a lot faster with the turbos, single turbo, excuse me. But got my car back, so I have to take my sister to school every single morning when I'm here. So that's sort of like my duty. But I had an unfortunate situation. I came back earlier than expected from Miami. I know I was supposed to come back for Thanksgiving, you know, I want to spend time with my family, but I got a call the night before I was supposed to go back home. I didn't book a ticket yet. I didn't have anything really planned. I was gonna stay another day or two, and I got a call that my grandpa wasn't doing well, and then so I booked the earliest flight the next day to go back, see him, check on him, see if everything's all right. And then I got back and he had passed away. That just goes to show, you know, you never really know what to expect in life, and always just keep family close, and I don't know, just make sure you keep your loved ones close because you never know when they're gonna go. Fortunately, my grandpa, he lived a great life, a great man, and it was just health. You know, health is something you can never get back. Money can't fix health. That's just something that happens in life. So, you know, of course it's sad, you miss your family or whatever happens, but you don't want to be, you know, looking down on yourself all the time because of that. You want to keep your head up and stay positive, because I know he lived a great life. Of course it's sad to see him go, but you know, it was really just health and something you can't avoid. So make sure always keep your loved ones close and don't take it for granted. So now I gotta start this car up and get to school. Actually, my sister just came out the door in the garage when I was filming. It was like, yeah, I'm not going to school. I feel sick, so I don't know what the deal is, but I'm still gonna go drive. Gotta turn on the heat. My car does not like this weather right now. It's what, 42 degrees? It's not that bad. But ever since it started getting cold, my tire pressure sensors have always been going off. So I gotta figure out what the issue is with that and how to get it to stay off, because my pressure, it's fine, they're all even, but it says one of them is -4. Either I have a bad sensor or the cold weather is messing it up, so we gotta fix that. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. You know, we went to the fire station, we had some fun in today's video, and yeah, stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna have a lot of fun in the next video too. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.